Hey guys, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing, I just bought a bunch of things from Ramadan. You know when you're fasting and your brain is just like, that is my brain right now. What I'm trying to say is I bought a bunch of things from Amazon and this isn't going well. What I'm trying to say is I bought a bunch of things on Amazon and now my mom is calling me. Hello, my love. I ordered a bunch of Ramadan things, just like random Ramadan products on Amazon. And honestly, I just wanted to see what would appear on Amazon. Like, what am I gonna get? Am I gonna get weird things? Am I gonna get relevant things? So yeah, everything from Amazon has just come in. So I'm gonna open everything with you guys and show you guys what I got. What is this? Lights! Okay, so is this what I think it is? Star lanterns. Set of 6. Okay, a lot of lights came up when I was looking for things in the Ramadan section. Oh wait, no! These are like little lanterns. I totally forgot that I got... Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so cute! Obviously it doesn't come with batteries. This is so cute. And then you just like hang these up. Or you know what? This would be like so cute to put like on a table and then it just like lights up. Like if you're having like a little dinner party. They're so cute. Oh, so cute. So tiny. Let me tell you guys how much it cost. So for the 6 of these, this was $24.99 Canadian dollars, which is actually pretty good. It's not bad. The only thing about these is they seem like they would scratch easily. Let's get situated here. Situated. Are we good? Are we good? Are we okay, we're good. See what's in here. Okay, yes. I remember ordering this planner. It's so cute. The only thing is, oh my god! Wait. Okay, I thought this was just going to be a notebook with a bunch of lines in it, but it says Ramadan planner here. And then when you open it up, it says whoever fasts Ramadan with Iman and the hope of reward will be forgiven his previous sins. What is this? Duas of the Prophet. So when I originally saw this on Amazon, I don't think it had like a description of everything that was like in here. Either it didn't say or I didn't realize. I think it's the latter. I think I just like didn't realize. Write down a list of your duas for this month. Don't forget to include your family, friends, and people that you know who have specific problems, and of course the ummah around the world. That's really cute. And then it just has like some information, just general Islamic information about using your time wisely. Eid planner. That's really cute. Okay, so oh wait, like that's really cute. I like how I keep saying something and then I'm like, oh, that's really cute. It has like little checklists if you prayed Fajr, Duhur, Asr, all of the prayers, how much Quran have you recited, and then you can write down, and then you have like a little reflection part. I really like this. I think this is better for teens. I think this is for teens. Okay, it says teen edition right here. Next time I go on Amazon, I should definitely read the descriptions of things before I buy them. Because personally, I thought it would be really cute to have like a little journal just dedicated to Ramadan and like, you know, reflections and all that stuff. Because I do have a journal, just like a general journal. So it'd be nice to have like one where I can like go back and like see what I wrote down. This was, let me tell you guys how much it was. $9 Canadian. So I think that's a pretty good price. I really like this. If I had children, I would buy this for them. Maybe I will keep this for my future children. Okay, what else is in this mysterious box? Oh my god! I think it's like a lamb balloon. Do I need a little lamb balloon in my life? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you need a little lamb balloon in your life? Probably. Oh my god. That's so cute. Oh my god. Look at its little feet. This is so cute. Oh, look. And there's two. Okay. So obviously... Why did I order this? I have no idea why I ordered this, but it's so adorable. Oh my god. This is so cute for like kids. I like how everything I ordered is like kid appropriate and like for children, but I don't know, man. I thought it was pretty cool, okay? I know I'm an adult, but adult can like children, kids things too. When I think of Ramadan, I do think of little lambs. I really do. I mean, I think of me eating the lamb, you know? But I do think of lambs. They were $8.90 for the 2-pack. So I think I got a deal, you guys. I got a deal. Okay, and then I got some balloons. These are just basic balloons. I really don't remember ordering these balloons. You guys, I did not order this balloon. Did I order these balloons? Oh wait, yes I did. So for all these balloons, it's like $10. They're just basic balloons. Really isn't specific to Ramadan whatsoever, but hey, it's a festive season. Why not have some balloons in your life? And these are star light up things that I was talking about. Star string lights. So these pretty much just like hang from, I guess, wherever you want. I feel like this would be really, really nice for like the nighttime. If you have like a patio, you can just like set it up, or like in your bedroom. Or the stars, so they're called Zoology LED Star Curtain String Lights. Okay, so you can put it like as a curtain. So it just like hangs like a curtain. LED fairy strip rope lamp. Some of these names on Amazon are so long. I don't know why. And this was $17.99. For more. Ooh, what is this? This is a set. Do not separate. Oh my goodness. Why did I order so many of these? Okay. So when I typed in Ramadan, so many incense came up. So obviously I decided to buy like a package. I don't know why, because I'm not particularly fond of the smell of incense. Indulge. So we have here frankincense. Yeah, I don't really like the smell of incense. Why would I buy these? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is so potent. It's like these little like triangular incense that you just light up. Let's see. There's like a lot. So this one is called Sensual Therapy. I don't think that has anything to do with Ramadan. Okay. One is Warm Spice. Honestly, they kind of all smell the same. They literally all smell the same. 140 cones. Dang, that is a lot of cones. It is $7.98. But yeah, let's just push those over there. Whew, smelly. That is all the things that I got. Yes, I believe that's everything. Do you think it's very like stereotypical? Do you think it's relevant? Like the incense were not necessary. The incense to me, they were not necessary. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you did in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.